Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have permission to operate the police car. This avoids penalties and unlocks vehicle functions. Once you confirm access, check fuel and damage percentage so you won't be stranded mid-mission. Next, set the radio channel and toggle the siren. These immediate actions let you respond and coordinate. Make a waypoint for your first stop. This reduces navigation time. By doing these steps now, you establish a stable baseline and prevent interruptions during active duty. Once underway, activate lights and siren only when protocol requires. This warns traffic and grants right-of-way. You should adjust speed to road and mission parameters. High speed increases damage risk. Use the map and radio to coordinate with dispatch and other units and set pursuit mode if applicable. When you need to stop a suspect, execute controlled maneuvers like PIT or box-in. These reduce chase time and risk. Make sure to monitor vehicle health and back off if damage crosses safe thresholds. To finish, secure the scene. Stop, kill the engine, and set cones or lights. This protects evidence and people. Then complete reports and record incident details while fresh. After duty, refuel and repair any damage so the car's ready next shift. Reset radios and electronics to default channels. If the car becomes stuck or unresponsive, use respawn or tow options and verify your permissions and logs. Often a simple access or despawn resolves the issue. One key tip: check faction access if the vehicle won't accept commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.